Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first action now. Verify which backup contains the deleted number, iCloud, Google, or a local computer backup, and confirm its timestamp. Once done, disable conflicting syncs so incoming changes don't overwrite recoverable data, and connect to stable Wi-Fi. Make sure required utilities or official restore tools are installed. You need them for extraction. These initial moves prevent data loss and set up a controlled environment for safe. Now you perform the middle steps to extract and restore the deleted number. If an official restore option exists, select the correct backup and preview contacts before committing. This avoids overwriting current data. Otherwise, use a backup extractor to open the vCard or CSV, search for the deleted entry, and export only that record. For device-level scans, run the scan fully, mark the recovered contact, then export and import into your Contacts app. This targeted approach reduces risk and preserves other entries. Finish by ensuring the recovered number is permanently saved and synchronized. Add the contact to your primary account, then force sync so every device updates. Once done, create an immediate backup, export a vCard, and push a cloud backup with a clear timestamp to prevent repeat recovery steps. If you don't see the number, rescan with a different tool, check hidden contact groups or filters, and if necessary, restore a previous full backup copy. This final check secures the recovery and prevents future loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.